Hi, this is Kevin with Tactical CrossFit, and this is the Tactical CrossFit Core Slider, Resistance, and Cardio Set. If you've been searching for an all-in-one solution to many of your fitness needs, our product delivers by giving you the ability to perform several different exercises, all from the comfort of your own home, office, or on the go. Our core sliders allow you to perform a plethora of exercises that activate the entire body and really engage the core, increasing your strength and stability. These core sliders are dual-sided for use on multiple surfaces. Use the soft foam side on hardwood floors, cement, and tile. Use the hard plastic side on carpet and artificial turf. Our resistance bands can easily be integrated seamlessly with just about any fitness regimen, whether it's yoga, Pilates, strength training, bodybuilding, stretching, or general exercise. Our resistance bands will help you reach your fitness goals. Want more? This great bundle comes with our cardio jump rope, but it's not just any old jump rope, it's a speed rope. Perform single unders or double unders. This speed rope is universal and can easily accommodate the height of any user, perfect for getting your heart rate up and building your endurance. Now that you know just how good of a deal this is, the only logical thing to do is order right now on Amazon.com. Thanks for watching.